Do you know why Japanese castles have such a unique designs and a rich history? Welcome back in another dive in the Japanese cultures. Remember last time we speak about the Shuken Garden, revealing surprising stories and fascinating facts about history. Prepare yourself to discover the hidden secrets of these incredible fortresses. Hiroshima was created on the Delta coastline in 1589 by the Mori clan. The castle was built quickly 4 years after. The name Hiroshima means wide island in Japanese. After the Battle of Sekigahara, the Mori clan lost most of its land, including Hiroshima. And from 1619 until 1871, Hiroshima was ruled for 12 generations by the Asano clan, the clan who also built the Shuken Garden. In the mind of the people, castles are always one main building. But Japanese castles are always more than that. With ramparts, the walls around the castles, and the moat, a deep and wide trench filled with water around the ramparts, this is a strategical place used to make harder any invasion. And it was very useful during the Sengoku era, the 100-year civil wars between clans. In few words, Japanese castles were huge fortresses. But they can be also used as a residence for the daimyo and as a symbol of their power, which leads us to an important point in the Japanese castle histories. Like Japanese armor in Iwakuni in the previous episode, the Japanese histories have radically changed at the Edo era. A time of peace in Japan. For controlling the daimyos and not allowed to use their castles as representations of their power and wealth, the Tokugawa shogunate regulated the numbers of castles to one per lord domain. It means that many Japanese castles will be destroyed during the Edo era. Construction and restorations of castles was forbidden, unless you have the agreement of the shogun. The original numbers of Japanese castles before Edo is hard to find. It could be more than thousands, but we know now that there is just only 12 original Japanese castles who survived time. This is the Gokoku Jinja, a sanctuary originally built in 1869, the first year of the Meiji period. It is dedicated to the spirit of those who died for the nations during the transitions from the Edo to the Meiji. But, of course, it concerns also the spirits of the 20th century too. At the shrine you can make a wish for success after touching the carp or climbing up the river. This is the symbols of passing through difficulties.
This one. 2 cups in
what I want to achieve. What can I achieve? Okay. I make my wish. If the transition from the Edo to Meiji have destroyed more Japanese castles in Japan, the Hiroshima castle was completely destroyed during World War II. During the early 20th centuries, a new movement for the preservation of heritage grew. Primarily constructed of wood and stones, many of the reconstructed Japanese castles are still reinforced concrete replicas. So this is the castle of Hiroshima, the Hiroshima castle. Et voilà! After being destroyed by the atomic bomb, the castle was reconstructed in 1958, but as a reinforced concrete replica. The castle is now used as a museum. It is about the histories of the castle before the World War II. But the best is to see the view from the observation platform. From there, we can have a pretty nice view on a panoramic through Hiroshima city. But don't forget that we are on the main building. We can have a good views on the other building that made the Hiroshima castle too. And we hope that the ruins who surround the Hiroshima castle will be restored one day. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Hiroshima Castle. I hope it inspires you and helps you to understand more about Japanese history. Next time in Japan, we'll be in Kyoto.